BNR's done it again with a new product. The intake spacer for the 1.4. The Generation 1, that is. There it is. Billet, shiny, beautiful. Appears to be about 1 inch thick. It's gonna go back there to accompany that one. But first, we're due for an oil change. And we're up in the air. I'm not saying Mobile One's the best. Project Farm will definitely tell you otherwise. It's just what I like running in this engine. It's what I've had a lot of luck with. Let's pop this off. Did you know you can fling out basically most all your oil if you don't have that revision? This little cap extension. Ask me how I know. Alright, oil change complete. Let's get the spacer installed. I'm hoping to be lazy. Disconnect the fuel rail from the intake manifold. And the intake manifold off of the head. Pull it back, slide this one in, slide new bolts in, bolt it all back together. Let's see how smooth that goes. So again, this is the super lame quick install. This is my daily driver. I gotta go to work tomorrow. So the intake is off. The intake sits at an angle like this, so you're not dealing with bolts coming out towards the firewall. You're dealing with bolts at this nice angle, so it's not bad at all. I've got plenty of room. It's heavy on this side. It's gonna drop in. Put the new long bolts in, fire it up. Alright, so I did it the don't do it my way. Actually take your intake manifold off and admire the shininess and bolt it on. Other than that, plug all these back in now. Seriously? Oh, jeez. Oh yeah, that one. That one's on, that one's there, that's there. So anyways, you can see it. It's the shiny part. There you go. The nice billet part, it's installed to the plastic spacer, complementing the pre-existing throttle body spacer, which has the PCV fix hooked up to it. Alright, spacer installed, oil changed, everything's a success. Now we just wait some slow results.